Can you talk a little bit about your experience both years?
Mm-hmm. I love it here. I think, we have about a week left in the program now, and I'm already getting all nostalgic, and I remember being all nostalgic about it last year, and I think, we're here, we're learning Yiddish, we're sort of enveloped in this Yiddish world, but more than that, like, it's sort of like a model of a utopian society that is like a very intense and really beautiful thing to be able to live in for 7 weeks in a summer. And like there are already rumblings about all of us like buying a house together and like living only in Yiddish and all of these things. And I don't know, it just like it recharges my battery to be here and sort of remind myself of like why I'm doing this and why I love Yiddish and why other people love Yiddish and why it matters. Yeah. I felt that way both summers.